So I just got back from a 31-night trip through the US of A in the summertime, really hot. Subaru, frameless windows. How do you put the bug nets on? Let me show you. Come on over. So I've seen videos of people putting like wire mesh and stuff, or like wire bug nets and stuff, and like doing this whole big contraption. No, you come here. All you need is 4 of these binder clips, your regular bug net here. You just slap her right here, slap her, put her in here, give her a little bit of overlap. Then you're gonna get underneath here, kind of tuck her right in there. Chris Tucker. Pop that on there, there's one. You're 25% done. 1/4, 2/8, 25 hundredths, 653 968 hundredths seconds. That's number 2 there. Number 3, what I like to do is put it on like a pair of underwear. And then you kind of stretch her out here. You really want to tuck it around there to prevent those cockroaches, dung beetles, dragonflies, mosquitoes. There you go. So it's like it's a little whack sometimes, and like say like a bug could fly in there. So what I normally do is then I redo this clip and I kind of stretch it out a bit more, because now you can do that. So I stretch it, clip it on there, and now nothing can get in. Look, you see a bug? Zzz, zzz, boing.